Welcome to this video. In the previous video, we have designed the main screen of Berry Finder game, and let us go ahead and design the second screen of this game. So let's start with the button, that is play button, play game, which will allow you to start the game. So let us go ahead to add an element, button, name the element as play button. So always remember to give the meaningful names for the app elements. Give the text as play game and click on save. So now let's add some code for this play button so that when we click this button, it will take you to the app screen too. So first of all, we need to add another canvas, that is app screen 2. So add a canvas which is by default the name is app screen 2. So click on OK. Select a background color and click on done and then save. So now let's add code for the play game. So in the app category, click on button and drag the whenever block into the code area, and then click on canvas app category and drag the first block, that is go to canvas, inside the whenever block. So now we need to select from the drop down menu app screen 2. That means whenever the play button is clicked, it will go to canvas app screen 2. So now check this. Okay, so now let us go ahead and design the app screen 2. So first of all, we will add a label here. The name of the label will be patch label. Click on OK. Leave this label blank and height as 700. Background color will be none. And also remove the border color. Click on save. And I want to change the style pattern as type 2. Okay. So now add another label, that is this label will be score label, okay, to show the scores. Remove the background color and the border color. Click on save. So this is inside this patch label, and now let us duplicate this score label and name this one label as score value. Okay, so we will put here. Okay, so duplicate this one now. And give the name as lives. So this is the shortest way to create the app elements by duplicating that. And you know, don't need to change the heights and widths. Lives, change the font, increase it and click on save and drag it to this side. And now duplicate this for the values of lives and name it as lives value and give it as 0 and then click on save. Okay. So now let's add a button, that is strawberry button, and let us put an image inside the button. So I'm naming it as strawberry button. Click on OK. and choose a picture of strawberry from the internet, or you can download it from the Google. Okay. I think this one is the strawberry image. No. Okay, so let us see if, yeah, okay. So I'll choose this one, strawberry. Okay, this one, and I'll reduce the height and width as 30 and 30. Change the pattern as type 2, background color as black. So it's done, and click on save. So this is the strawberry button where user have to click and the score of the user will increase. Okay. So now let us add another button, that is the background button. Suppose if the user clicks on background, the lives will decrease. So this is our rules for the game, right? So let's add another element, that is button, and this will be background button. Okay. So now let's add an image, this one, and increase the height as 300 and width as 400. Remove the background border color, click on save. So now you can see this strawberry button is getting hidden, right, with this background button. So how to remove the overlapping of the images? So you need to increase the Z index for that particular button. Okay, Z index, if you increase it by 1 and click on save, now you can see it's not overlapping. This strawberry button is, you can see this, right? Same for this. See, the label is not visible now, right? So we need to also increase the Z index for the labels. Okay. Also for all the labels you need to increase the Z index so that the images will not overlap. And the patch label also has 2. So you can see it's not overlapping, right? Okay. So now we will increase the height and width of this background button to the height of the screen and width of the screen. So maximum height of the screen is 590 and width is 790. So you can also check here, if you give 1000, so it's automatically becoming 790. That means width is 790 by default, maximum is 790 by default, and height is 590 by default. Okay. Okay, so this is done. So actually I want to change the image for this background button. So I'll select a picture from my PC and it's clear. Actually this one is blurred and this one is much clear, right? Okay, and this button is not okay, so we have to remove this button. Okay, click on save. Now it's more clear. So designing of second screen is done.